everybody, Galieo Ceiling Fan here. Welcome back, and today we have a really uncommon Harbor Breeze. This is a Harbor Breeze Galileo. I've only seen 5 surface before. This one, which I got from Chandra at the Fanimation group trip. What else? One on Marketplace, my mom's friend has one, but hers has 2 blades because her daughter broke the other blade, and then they had to take the other one off to balance it. But yeah, so I got this from Chandra at the Fanimation group trip. Really happy with this fan. I put it together, hung it last night, and then I put it together today. But yeah, and the light bulbs were burnt out, so I put dimming bulb LEDs in here. But the LEDs are weird. When you turn off the light, it looks like it's off. It's supposed to be off, but the lights are still on. So you're just gonna turn it on, and you'll see the lights kick on. And now they're not on. There they go. But yeah, when you turn them off, they do that. I guess when you turn it off by the switch, they work, but yeah. Pretty bright bulbs. Dim it. We're gonna keep it on a dimmer setting just because they're so bright. Here's the remote, by the way. That's good. But yeah, here's the remote. It does have an up light. Turn that on. Dim that just a little more. A little more. There we go. That's still bright enough. And here is low. There, it kicked on. You sit down. Ugh. I need to get matching bulbs for the matching downlight, so like the bulbs match the color of the uplight. I'm pretty sure the top light was dimmed, so we're gonna, it may look like it's off, but it's coming back on. There it goes. I guess that's the brightest. Here is medium. And high speed. Does wobble a bit. And if I don't hit my head, you guys can actually see the motor spinning in there. And the reverse switch is on the top. But what I'm gonna do is just shut it off as soon as it, because yeah, we'll get a top shot. Yeah, that's the motor right there. So we'll watch the lights dim. Motor starts going. You know what I'm gonna try to do, just for the video? I'm gonna stand up here, have you watch the motor, but I'm gonna turn on high. It does hang pretty low. There, so y'all can see it in the bright setting. Pretty cool fan. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!